Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a video on decluttering my highlight and blush collection. I've been trying to get into the whole minimalist situation, and I feel like I've been doing pretty good. Right now my room is an entire mess, so please excuse that, and that's only because I have been trying to get rid of stuff, either selling it or giving it away. So I have been, my room has been a little bit of a mess. I have gotten rid of a lot of stuff. Currently right now, I know I'm not living a minimalist lifestyle. I can condense down to more. It's just, you know, the starting behaviors of it. So if you guys want to join in with all of that lifestyle change, please stay tuned as we are going to be decluttering my mess. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Silva. Everything will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. I'm going to be decluttering and organizing all of this makeup right here. I know what you're thinking. This is so much. First of all, this is, please excuse the mess I'm currently decluttering. As you can tell, my life is a little bit in shambles, but I'm trying my hardest to get myself organized. But basically, this is my makeup drawer. I have all of this stuff, and you may be thinking like, oh, you know, why do you need that much? Why do you need this big old thing? You might not even have that much makeup. No, I have a lot of makeup. So I will be doing separate videos on separate drawers, but today we are currently focusing on my blush and highlight. It's just looking so much of a mess. I want to declutter, I want to get rid of, and I want to organize. I'm tired of looking at all this stuff just so unorganized. And so yeah, that is what we're going to be doing today. Alright, so we are going to be working on what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. So I'm going to grab a box. I'm going to use my Jimmy Choo box, and I'm basically going to stuff all the stuff that I don't want in this container. So I'm going to be stuffing all of the stuff that I don't want inside this container, and hopefully that will be mighty okay. Just putting all that stuff inside here of all the things that I don't want, and we'll be giving away to my, I don't really have any friends around here, but
just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
My family stuff. So I'm currently just gonna be like yes, no, maybe so, and then just dump it in here, and then afterwards, after I figure out like what I'm gonna keep and what I'm not gonna keep, then we'll work on organizing. So for this, I actually really like this. This is Alamar Cosmetics. I actually got this on a BoxyCharm, and it's so good, and it's Latina. There's a Latina founder, so I'm definitely keeping this, you know, supporting my babes. So I'm keeping that. This is honestly one of my favorite finds that I've ever found at one of those discount stores. I actually found this, I believe, Nordstrom Rack, and this is the Laura Mercier Stardust Radiant Palette. I found it for half off. I think it was originally $50 and I got it for $25. So I will show you how it looks like, because it's just so pretty. Like, this is literally such a gorgeous palette, and then these are the colors on the inside. I'm just like, oh. So I'm not getting rid of this, that's for sure, but I am getting rid of this carton box because I don't need it, and just gonna keep this like this. So I'm putting that inside. I also have this Too Faced Candlelight Glow. I use this a lot. I use especially this side, not much of this side, but I use a lot of this side. So definitely going to be keeping that. This I use a lot. This is my Rimmel London, so definitely keeping that. That's one of my favorites. This is Physicians Formula. It had like a little bow at the top, and then the glue came off, and then this packaging is not really that, I guess, sturdy. Or I guess it is. I don't know. I just really like the packaging. Haven't really worn it in a while, so this is going to go in a maybe pile. So we'll see how it goes. I have this blush from Bare Minerals. This is called Indecent Proposal. Let me show you the inside. Oh my gosh, I love these mauve colors. I just feel like it's so pretty against a bronzed skin. So one of my favorites. I'm not getting rid of it. I will be getting rid of this plastic thing. Who needs that? No one. Okay. I have these Maybelline Master Strobing liquids. I remember this was maybe back a few years when this was, I guess, the thing, like strobing and liquid highlights. I never really got into those things, so I'm actually gonna let this go. It might even be trash because I bought this a while back. I just never used it. I don't really like it. I'm good, son. Alright, so I have, this is a Loti London Shimmer Squad. So this is just a little singled little highlight. I just wish it came in like a little packaging and I don't have to keep the entire packaging in order for me to use this, but I will be keeping this. I got this in a BoxyCharm, or no, I believe I got this in an Ipsy bag, and it's really cute. I just need to buy like one of those magnetics little palette things in order for me to keep this, so it's more accessible, because I have to constantly like take it out of the packaging and then open it up and hold it like in my hand in order for me to like, for it not to drop and whatnot, because it's loosely in here, and I don't know, I just don't really like that. So for these, I have these stick things from Sonia Kashuk. I've had these for a while as well, and I don't know, I just never really got into the stick things either. Like I said, I just like more of a powder like compartment little thing in order for me to pick it up with my brush. I don't particularly favor things that I have to put it against my skin and then dab it in and work it into my skin, and it's honestly time consuming and it's really annoying. It's better for me to just take a brush, dip it into the powder. It's better for me to dip it into the powder, grab the powder, and then apply it onto my face and be done with it. This just takes an extra step that I don't really particularly like doing, so for that reasons, it's out. And so, continuing on, I have this Artist Couture. This looks like my laptop case, the whole black marble thing. It looks like my laptop case, and I think it's pretty cool. I honestly forgot I had this because it was shoved in the back of my head. Alright, so this one is in a little loose powder form. Like I said, I honestly forgot I had this because it was just shoved in the back of my drawer here. I don't know. I haven't really tried it. Maybe I'll give it a couple more months, and when I do my next declutter, and if I still haven't used it, I'll probably will be giving that away because it's new. It's never been used. It's still like closed and whatnot. It's new, so I haven't used it, and I want to give it a try. I have a couple of things here that I for sure will be getting rid of. So I just explained the Sonia Kashuk. These are such cute colors. Ugh, it just sucks that I don't like. I don't want work to put on makeup. This I'm getting rid of. This is a Wet n Wild Mega Makeup Stick. I don't even think this has been used. But getting rid of that. Never gonna use that. Another liquid strobe. Don't like those. Don't use that. And this is another highlight stick. This one's actually really pretty. It's really, really pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm tempted, but I'm getting rid of it. Getting rid of it. Okay. Now we're getting to my little compartments here. I actually utilize a lot of this. I actually use a lot of these makeup products. These are the ones that I use constantly in rotation. Whenever I do my makeup, I don't pick up like the same blush or the same bronzer or the same highlight. I routinely, depending on the look, I routinely use different shades or different products or different brands, so it's not always the same thing. So for this, I love all of these. Like for example, my CoverGirl Cheekers. I have my Maybelline Fit Me. I have my AOA highlighters in here. I have a CoverGirl one. I use these all the freaking time. So these I won't be getting rid of. And then coming along to this little stack right here. So let's start with this one. This one I use all the freaking time. This is my AOA Perfect Press Highlighter. Works wondrously, and it's only a freaking $1, so can't go wrong with that. I have this Revlon Photo Ready Sunlight Dream. I remember when I bought this, I was so tempted to buy it. I bought it and barely pick it up too. So that's gonna go in a maybe pile. This is the cream contour palette. Definitely getting rid of this. This is probably super old and probably has growing bacteria on this. This is going to the trash. I had this for such a long time and I never use it anymore. This is also the e.l.f. bronzer total face palette. This is super cute. Keeping this. So we're getting rid of stuff, guys. We're getting rid of stuff. Okay, so I have these AOA blushes that we saw at the beginning of the video. That I bought these back in June, so it was a couple months ago. I honestly forgot I had these. I haven't touched them. But I don't want to get rid of them because I forgot I had them, and so I want to give them a chance before I chuck them. So I'm gonna put these back and I'm gonna put them in a place where I see them, where I open them, and I'm like, okay, I like it or I don't. So giving it a chance. This is the Blush Serum Lip and Cheek Cream color. This hasn't been opened, but I'm never gonna use this, so getting rid of that. And I have a L'Oreal Lumi Shimmerista. It's a powdered version. This is new. Wow, this is new. I have not used this, but I am getting rid of this because this is not my color. This is not something I particularly like to wear, and I don't even know how to utilize this, so I'm getting rid of that, even though it's such cute packaging. I freaking love this packaging. I remember I bought this because of packaging. Did I use it? No I did not. Okay, around to my last little bit will be this little thing. So another thing is that everything in here also I use a lot. This is my Honest Beauty highlight. This is an luminizing powder. I utilize that a lot. That one's really cute. The one thing I will be getting rid of is this blush stick. Like, I don't know what is it about me and sticks. I can't. Like, they're just so annoying. Because you have to apply that and then you have to rub it in, and I don't want to rub anything in. I don't want to be rough on my skin. So that's another reason why I don't really like sticks, because you have to rub it into the skin, and the skin is already so delicate, especially my face, and I don't want to touch my face with my fingers either. And then I feel like a brush doesn't help to swirl it in correctly. So no thank you. I just realized that my beauty blender has been on the floor this entire time. How fucking gross. I'm gonna have to wash that. Alright, I have this Ellen Tracy highlighter. Getting rid of that. Don't really like anything liquid, like I said. Another highlighting stick. You know, a person who doesn't really like highlighting stick has a lot of highlighting sticks. I just realized that about myself. I have this On the Cusp Super Shock Cheek from ColourPop. I really like this. So all of this stuff inside this little box. I don't even have a lot of stuff inside this little box, to be honest. But I am keeping all of it. This is like my ColourPop villain collection, the Disney villains that I was crazy over, and I love that. I have my, unfortunately, I accidentally bought 2 of the same blushes from e.l.f. So I don't need both. I will be getting rid of one, and I have a feeling that I used both. Actually, no, I didn't use this one, so I'm going to get rid of that one. I don't need 2 of the same thing, so I'm going to keep only one, because why would I need 2 when I have so many blushes I need to get rid of, or use up, basically. I have my Haspel-Nesque one. I have a Winky Luxe. This is such cute packaging, guys. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. I love this highlight so much. I have so many highlights. I just realized that. So that's all I'm keeping inside my little box here. I love this little box. It's such a godsend. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and organize this. I'll be showing you guys all the stuff that I'm not keeping and all the stuff that I am keeping. So let me flip you around. Alright guys, so this is all the stuff that I won't be keeping inside this little box. I don't really know what to do with all of this stuff. Because some of it is used, some of it's not used. So I'll see what I do with it. We are going to be organizing all of this stuff and you'll be coming along with me for that ride. So I'm gonna put this on my bed for now. Before I sit on that, I'm gonna move this stuff too. I'm throwing this all away. So put that right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and organize this, guys. Oh my gosh, look at him. What are you doing, Ian? Ah! What are you doing?
I was just playing with this Thomas thing. Look what I can do.
What can you do?
Let me get out of this tree.
Ta-da! Oh! No, we dropped something.
It's okay. You can just pick it up.
Yeah.
It's not broken.
No, it's not. What do you think of all this stuff, Ian?
It looks great.
All of this looks great.
All of it.
You don't think it's a lot?
Yeah. And there's some more in here.
Yeah, there is.
And here.
Do you think Mommy has a lot of makeup?
Yeah.
Do you think I need to
And
get rid of
here.
it?
Yeah. And here. And that's on the bottom.
Okay, Ian, I don't think you need to be shading me that hard, man.
And in here.
Okay,
and
he's
here.
shading me.
And here. And also here. You have a lot of makeup.
I know. I need to work on it. Person, this is still a lot, like, don't get me wrong, but I did condense my collection down a lot more better, and it looks, well, I feel like it's way better than before. So with that being said, this is the stuff that I am getting rid of. Quite a couple of things. This is the stuff that I'm keeping, and I organized it. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on me decluttering all of my stuff and all of the things that I did not need. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys stay tuned for more. Bye. Mwah.